Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use StatBot in Discord. So first things first, go ahead and find StatBot on Google search. So StatBot is actually a Discord bot that tracks your statistics, so the activities within your server. So for you to use it, you just need to invite StatBot in your server. So just choose the server and also authorize him for the roles, and then finish this captcha, and then it will redirect you to your Discord. Now once you're here, you can immediately go to any channel. So for example, to use StatBot, just type /help, especially the different commands for the StatBot. Now just click on make a selection and then click on commands. Then in here, we can use the different commands for the statistics or the management of the server or the other stuff, but some of them are premium. So for example, we want /me, which shows your stat in the server. So here is my stats in this server. It will automatically show you in this picture format. Another thing is /channel. So this will show the stats of the channel that you've chosen. So for example, I want the channel welcome, then just enter, and then it will show the stats, like the messages, the top messages members, the contributors, and etc. Also, if you want like the user statistics of different user, for example, I want this user, I can immediately find the statistics, the different activities he made. And that's it. So easy. Hope this helps.